Hello everyone, it's me Kuno, and today I thought I'd show you a cool way you can create a randomizer thing in your game without having to deal with counters and stuff. So yeah, it's basically, you can see this thing right here. The thing you do is you create an active, an active. The way you create an active, double click and active, okay? So when you got your active, you see this is 1. I just made them numbers like 2, 3, it goes up to 8. And this is like how many things they can randomize. You know, it can be any of these numbers. But if you want there to be more chances and stuff, just turn it up a notch, and you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have as many outcomes as you want, as many outcomes as you can have directions. Okay, and so yeah, so I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay, I don't know if it's hard for you to see, but this thing right here, this will every time you boot up the app or the frame, this will be a different number. So if I press new, yeah, and the sound effect is because there's a 1 down here, and if you press this button here, it changes the number. But the thing is, you can make different stuff happen with it's totally randomized, but I just added sound effects just to make it easier to prove my point. So yeah, how do you do this? It's pretty easy. Start a frame, stop any sample. That didn't work, so I might as well remove that. But yeah, it's really easy. Start a frame. This is our first one. Every time we start a frame, this thing will it will set in any of these directions. It's random which direction it is, So yeah, so this will just display a random number. If we press the button, the second one will do the same, but when it's pointing right, it will play this sound, and pointing and yeah, you can see it looks like a clock, and it does the sound effects. But if you want to have sound effects, don't forget to only one action when event loops. If you don't have that, the sound effect will it will stack on top of each other, and it will just air rape you, and probably crash or whatever, depending on the computer you're using. So yeah, this is pretty much it, to be honest. It's really simple. I'm actually using this in my own game project for certain things, So they're both 1 now. Oh my god. And all the sound effects are from Clickteam Fusion. So it's non-copyrighted stuff in case you want to use it, I guess. So yeah, if you want the example file that you can use or open up in the Fusion software yourself, a link in the description. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.